Ever wished you could just wave a magic wand and boost your credit score? I mean, who hasn't? But let's be real, there's no such thing as a credit score fairy godmother. Building credit is hard work, it takes time, and it often feels like an uphill battle. But what if I told you there's a tool out there that could potentially give your credit score a little nudge in the right direction? Enter Koho. Now, before we dive into how Koho can help build credit, let's talk about credit itself. What is it really? It's basically a financial report card, a history of how you've handled money in the past. Lenders use it to assess your risk. A good credit score is like having a golden ticket to financial freedom, lower interest rates, easier approvals for loans, the works. But building a good credit score is like building a house. It takes time, patience, and a solid foundation. So, how does Koho fit into this picture? Well, Koho offers a credit building feature that's designed to help you establish or improve your credit history. It's a bit like a training wheels for your financial life. But how does it actually work? Essentially, Koho sets aside a specific amount of your money each month into a locked savings account. This money is then reported to the credit bureaus as a loan that you're consistently paying off. This helps to build your credit history, showing lenders that you're responsible with money. It's important to note that this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not earning interest on the money you're setting aside, and there are fees involved. But if you're struggling to build credit, it could be a valuable tool. But is it right for everyone? Not necessarily. If you already have a good credit score, this might not be the best use of your money. However, if you're just starting out, or if you've had some credit challenges in the past, Koho's credit building feature could be worth considering. Remember, building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistency and responsible financial behavior. Koho can be a useful tool, but it's not a magic solution. You still need to pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid new credit applications whenever possible. One thing to keep in mind is that while Koho can help build your credit history, it doesn't necessarily guarantee a higher credit score. Other factors, like your payment history on other loans and credit cards, also play a significant role. So, should you give Koho's credit building feature a try? Ultimately, that's a decision you'll need to make based on your own financial situation and goals. It's always a good idea to do your own research and compare different options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.